Halo?
Okay, please.
Okay. Good morning, Pak Sony. Thank you so much for the opportunity that given to me. So first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Opeli Miriam Almehi, and my area assignment in process 3. So in this opportunity, I'm going to present about acid gas removal unit or AGRU. First of all, for the title, there are process overview, how AGRU works, routine activities, cause and effect, and safety system. For the process overview, we have to know the purpose of AGRU. So the purpose of AGRU is to remove CO2 and sulfur from the feed gas to meet LNG specification. And why we have to remove CO2 and sulfur? Because CO2 has no heating value, freezes at cryogenic temperatures, and corrosive. And we have specification limit to our sweet gas. Our CO2 is less than 50 ppmv, H2S less than 3.5 ppmv, and total sulfur is less than 17.5 ppmv. And this is a process overview in AGRU. So there are absorber and regenerator. For absorber, the stored gas enters to the absorber and will contact concurrently with lean amine, and there is exothermic reaction here, where sweet gas will exit from the top of absorber and will go to the next unit, and for the rich amine will goes down to the bottom of absorber and will goes to the regenerator. And in regenerator, or usually we call stripper, there is reboiler here with heat supply from low pressure steam, and there is endothermic reaction here. And for the acid gas that's separated here will exit from the stripper, and the final destination of acid gas will goes to the AGI. And for the lean amine will goes down from the reboiler and will flows back to the absorber. And how AGRU works. So first of all, for the stored gas from the ORF will enter to the first equipment is knockout drum. In knockout drum, there is a separated process. So the light hydrocarbon will be separated from the heavy hydrocarbon. And for the heavy hydrocarbon will exit from the bottom of knockout drum and will goes back to the ORF. And for the light hydrocarbon will exit from the top of knockout drum and will enter to the bottom of absorber. And the feed gas and the absorber will contact concurrently with lean amine and water, and the sweet gas will exit from the top of absorber and will goes to the dehydration unit. And there is exothermic reaction here, and for the rich amine will goes down from the bottom of absorber and will flows to the top of HP plus drum. And in HP plus drum, the rich amine will flash here. For the light hydrocarbon will exit from the top of HP plus drum and will goes to low pressure fuel gas system. And for rich amine will exit from the bottom of HP plus drum and will goes to the top of LP plus drum or D1002. In LP plus drum, there is approximately 35% CO2 will be flashed here, or the CO2 will exit from the top of LP plus drum and will goes to E1004 or FinFan, and will continues goes to reflux drum D1003, and in reflux drum the CO2 will be condensed here, and for the CO2 will flows to the AGI, and the water, processed water, will flows back to the LP flush drum through pump 1003. And then for the rich amine will goes down to the LP flush drum and will flows to the plate heat exchanger through pump 1006. And then will continuous flow to the stripper E1002. And then there are reboilers here with heat supply from low pressure steam. And then for the rich amine will be separated here because there is an endothermic reaction here. For the acid gas will flows to the top of reboiler and will enter to the stripper, and then continuous flows to the top of stripper and goes back to the LP, LP plus drum D1002. And then for lean amine will goes to the flat heat exchanger and then continues goes to the FinFan E1003 to booster pump 1002, and then continues goes to the top of absorber through pump 1001 or lean amine pump. And then approximately 10 10% flow from total header flow will goes to the filters. We have three filters here. The first filters is mechanical filter, and then the second is activated carbon filter, and then the third is polishing filter. And then there is storage here. The name is amine sum. The function of amine sum is to storage system to storage amine, total amine in the system. And then this is the flow from ORF to the sweet gas. And then this is the flow of rich amine from absorber to HP plus drum. And then the rich amine will flows to the alpha plus drum. And then from alpha plus drum will goes to flat heat exchanger and will goes to stripper. And then for lean amine will goes from reboiler, flat heat exchanger, in fan, and will goes back to the absorber. And this is the cause and effect. I choose US 2860 as amine circulation. This is the cause and effect chart. This is the cause and this is the effect. So for the cause, I choose lean amine flow valve low position. So the effect of this cause is flow valve 2860 will be closed and train 1 will stand by operation. So this is the implementation of the cause and effect. So the flow valve will send signal to the system. The system will close the flow valve, and the second effect is the system will send to the train 1 will be standby operation. And this is our routine activities. So first of all is patrol FinFan area. So we have to looking for the vibration of belt, misalignment, water hammer or something like that. And hydrocarbons, the second one is hydrocarbon skimming. So we have to doing these activities every day. So this is the daily activities. to remove hydrocarbon or wax from the top layer of rich amine. And the third is lock set. So these activities, we have to make sure that the process in normal operation and anti-foam injection. So these activities is best on request by CRT, and Demin water makeup is request by CRT. And the next one is safety system. So this is the safety system in AGRU area. So there is manual alarm call point, OPGD, H2S gas detector and alarm beacon, flame detector, combustible gas detector and alarm beacon, hydrant, leach valve, oscillating, APAR, and water mist. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Sudah. Halo?
Totalnya 10 menit.
Tuhar, cepat itu. Tapi
10
ada
menit.
beberapa yang saya mau ini toh, saya mau edit. Misalnya ini nih. APAR ini kan bahasa Indonesia toh.
Oh iya.
Harusnya kan apa ya, fire apa ya, extreme apa gitu.
Fire equipment atau
Apa gitu. Ini extinguisher ya ini. Extinguisher. Extinguisher. Sepuluh menit aja. Halo?
sebentar.
Bikin apa?
Balas PA.
Oh.
Oke Kak, jadi total waktunya berapa?
Dikasih sih 15 menit.
15 ya.
Tapi tadi berapa?
Tadi 10, berapa gitu ya.
Bang, 40. Berarti saya